Welcome to Cook with Khoo in support of Women's Aid UK. So I am so excited. Live cooking with you today in my kitchen in Stockholm with Chetna, who's going to join me in a minute. I've got to make sure I can find her. Hello everyone. Okay, this is the first time I'm doing this, so this could be a disaster. All right, I can see she's just popped up. Ah, no! Oh my goodness, hang on. Right, am I doing this right? Okay, there you go. Yes. Hello. I think we should be. We're in luck. Did that work? No. Right, here we go. Yes. Hey, can you hear me? Yay!
Yes.
Oh my goodness. This is the sorry, I don't know. I've got to stop this. My camera is going crazy. I've got so much going on today. This is all going a bit. Oh my goodness, I've got to stop this. This is what happens when you're doing an Instagram live. We practiced this beforehand. I'm so much for doing this techie stuff. I'm hopeless. Okay, right, here we go. Now, I bet I'm going to stick you back in here. This is not very good, is it? Because I've got you too high now. I'm just going to have to lift up the pan. Chetna, we can see what you're cooking in the pan. I'll just lift up my pan so everybody can see what I'm doing.
That's absolutely fine. This is the fun of live Instagram, because it is not like a clinical video where this is the fun bit. This is the fun
Exactly. This is the fun bit. And just a quick reminder, this is all in support of Women's Aid UK, who are an amazing charity I'm ambassador for, who work supporting women and children in domestic abuse situation. So if you can, please donate. I think there's a donate button as well, so it's really, really easy. Anyway, what are we cooking?
So, I need to remember as well what we're cooking. We're cooking potato and tomato curry. It is a really simple, quite an easy, lovely curry, and it is from 30-Minute Indian, because it's just a nice midweek quick meal. And once you've made this, you can kind of do variations to it.
I love that. And for anybody who doesn't know Chetna is the queen of really easy recipes. You have to check out her YouTube channel, because oh my goodness, literally whenever you post, I'm drooling. And it's not just Indian food. You do a lot of baking as well. Some really good baking.
Yes, absolutely. So are you ready?
Hang on. Right, just give me a moment. What can I do? Can I do it down here? Can I you know what? I'm going to freestyle it. I'm going to move my camera around. So this is going to be, see how this goes. Don't give me a job behind the camera. I should just stick to my day job and stay in front of the camera. Okay, I am ready. Look, I have got my timer. And the reason we're doing 16 minutes is to highlight the 1.6 million women who reported domestic abuse in the year 2020, or the year ending March 2020, according to the England and Welsh ONS study. Oh my goodness, I'm so bad at this. You know what? Check out the description, because I have it all written down. Anyway, we'll get on with cooking. I'm going to put 16 minutes on here. Here we go. It ticks. Are we ready?
Yes.
All right. Somebody's already predicting the phone's going to end up in the pan. It can't do that. I haven't got a budget for another phone. It's not going to end up in the pan. Right. Here we go. Apron. Okay. We're not having that. No. All right. Well, stay tuned if you want to see the phone in the pan. Okay. Oh, we're ready. Let's get going. Okay. What are we doing first?
So we are going to first start cooking the tomatoes. So I've got a pan, nice and hot. I'm going to add just a tablespoon or two of oil of your choice. So I'm using sunflower oil, rapeseed oil.
Yeah, I've got that in my pan. Look, well, you can't see it.
Right, it's in the pan. Okay, right. So the oil's in the pan. I'm getting it hot, and then what do I want to do next?
So now we add this lovely spice, which is the asafoetida. But if you haven't got it, you can skip it. That's absolutely fine.
I don't have that. I couldn't get hold of it so easily into .com. If you want to donate, there is a donate button in the link. I'm not quite good at it, but if you watch the video, there's a donate button, or you just go to Women's Aid UK. Really easy. So Chetna's using sunflower oil. I've just got rapeseed oil here. So you could use any neutral tasting oil.
Yes, absolutely. And so I'm just going to add a teaspoon of black mustard seeds. You can use white mustard seeds if that's what you have at home, which is fine.
I managed to find black ones. Oh my goodness, this is going to pop everywhere. I better turn down the heat.
And then also going to throw in some curry leaves, fresh curry leaves.
Okay, I could get fresh ones, but I got dry ones.
Yeah, mine is.
Okay, I'll just throw that in.
Now, if you want to spice this up, then add the green chilies. I'm skipping it today because
look, I haven't got green ones, but I've got red ones.
Yes.
How spicy should we go?
Oh, I'm going to add all of
it. I like it spicy, but this chili isn't very hot, so it's going all in. It's all going in. Okay, so we got the red chilies, and you're putting in the tomatoes now.
Yes, I'm putting in the tomatoes.
Okay, here we go. Oh, see. Okay. So the tomatoes have gone in. Here, look, here we go to the camera.
Yes, lovely.
Tomatoes in. The camera did not fall in. The phone didn't fall in yet. Okay, so we've got the tomatoes in. We've got the mustard seeds, chilies, curry leaves.
What we're going to do is this tomato mixture, I'm going to move on this hob where you can't see it because it needs to cook for 5 minutes.
Right, I'm putting in mine. So you can swap.
Yeah, which will give us time to cook the potatoes because this curry has got 2 elements. One is the potatoes and the other is the tomato curry. So in this pan, I'm going to get some oil. Now, somebody asked me if this is pre-used oil. It's actually not, but I was planning to do some deep frying today and I poured in it and actually I changed my mind. So it's still in here.
Somebody was asking, can you use tin tomatoes?
You can use a tin of tomatoes. So 1 tin of 400 grams would be good. Would be quite good for this recipe. And then what the key is to cook it on medium heat, the tomatoes, and just let them kind of break apart and get mushy and soften down while we have this oil here, which I'm just going to heat up.
Right, so I'm heating up my oil in my other pan for the potatoes,
Yes. So I have got here around 4 medium-sized potatoes.
The recipe will be shared. Don't worry, people are asking because the ingredients list will be in the post. It's in the post for this. If you go on my Instagram feed. So, and also this recipe is really easy, so it's easy. So sorry, Chetna, I butted in.
No, that's absolutely fine. So I'm using 4 medium-sized potatoes, but if when the new potatoes are in season, you can use around 600 grams, and then chop it in half or quarter it, and then once the oil is hot, I'm just going to add the potatoes and then fry it on high heat for a couple of minutes. Basically, we want some nice color on it.
Okay, I'm putting them in.
Yes.
So this is where I hope the smoke alarm doesn't go off because I'm not doing this over the hob. I've got my little TV hob going on.
So
okay, all right,
so
I'm getting my...
It doesn't take very long if the oil is hot and the pan is hot and then you cook it on high heat. It should take a couple of minutes, which is the exact time our tomatoes will be done as well. So which is quite good timing for both.
I don't think I'm not keeping up with you. Oh, dearie me, I'm going to get in trouble here. Okay, we just hit, we've just done a couple of minutes there, so we're doing all right. Okay.
Oh, yeah, we're doing all right. if anyone has any questions, we've got 2 minutes.
Okay, somebody was asking for potatoes. So I've got new potatoes here, but you're just using regular, what kind of potatoes are you using?
So I try and use the red potatoes or Maris Piper. That's the only two varieties I use for Indian food because I just have used it for such a long time. I prefer how, how it reacts to the Indian food. So it fries well, it mashes well. It's a really good all-rounder.
Oh, sorry, I'm trying to switch the camera around. There you go. You can see in the pan.
Yes, that's perfect.
Hey.
So we only need to fry one side of it. So that's perfect.
All right, let's have a look. Oh, look, they've got a nice colour there.
Oh that's perfect.
So I think that's looking good. How are your potatoes looking? Oh,
I'm going to actually move it on a slightly higher heat.
You might have to shuffle I'm finding I've got to shuffle the potatoes around a little bit. And if you've got a smaller pan, you might have to do it in two bits, really. 2 bits. Do it in two portions, kind of thing. I'm just going to go check all the tomatoes at the back here.
So if your potatoes are done, you can bring your tomatoes back in here, and you can move the potatoes on the side if they are done.
Oh, it's really smoking in here. Let's hope the alarm does go. I'm going to open the door. Hang on a moment.
Yeah.
Oh, it's pitch black here. It's so dark. No, it's winter in it. Right. Oh,
right. So we are making. Somebody said, they are not cooked potatoes. They are cooking them now, and we are making a quick tomato and potato curry, which is absolutely lovely. And once you've tried this, you can try different variations of it.
I like the fact you can adjust. It's the kind of thing I could make for my kids too, and just leave out the chili and not make it so spicy. So it's more aromatic. Right, how are your potatoes doing?
Yes, mine are almost ready.
Okay, I'm doing all right. So I've got. Okay, I might just throw in the potatoes which are already. These are my
potatoes are ready, then we will add the spices to our tomatoes.
Okay, all right. So should I bring put my potato pan away? I'll do a swap.
Yeah.
All right, okay, so tomatoes are back here. What spices am I adding to my tomatoes?
So just the basic spices we are adding. So we are adding some salt.
Yeah.
Oh, God, this is good. So I'm adding a teaspoon of salt. If you want less, you can add less. Also going to add a little bit of ginger.
Yep, I've got some grated ginger here.
Yes, that's it.
Grated fresh ginger.
And also, going to throw in some sesame seeds, a tablespoon of sesame seeds.
Look, I've got some golden ones here. I've never used sesame seeds before in a tomato curry. This is a first for me. Yeah, exciting.
Yeah, it's because I add a slightly different taste, a really nice one. So my tomatoes are done. I'm turning the heat off.
I wonder if I missed anything. I've got some garam masala.
Yeah, we're going to add now. We're going to add now. Yeah. So we've got salt. We've got ground turmeric.
Yeah. Do I throw that in with the tomatoes?
Yes. So ground turmeric goes in the tomatoes.
Here we go. That's going in.
And then the garam masala.
Yeah, it's going in.
And then if you're adding a pinch of sugar.
Okay, all right, here we go. We're going to have some pan action. We've got very close up there.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. Oh, I've got to turn down my potatoes. Oh, quick. Oh, okay. There you go. There's my lighting setup. Really bad. Right. Okay. So everybody's getting a real good behind the scenes of what it looks like in my kitchen when I try and do a live. It's
Absolutely.
Wow, it smells amazing when you throw in the, I'm just adding a bit of sugar in there. Some garam masala.
So sugar, because it's all the tomatoes, sugar just balances, but obviously you can skip it, it's absolutely fine. But I think it definitely helps with balancing the flavor. So once we've got all of that, I'm going to transfer my fried potatoes to